In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy and paste in Microsoft Outlook using Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the page that contains the text you want to copy. To copy text, place your cursor at the beginning of the words you need. Then click and drag across the text until everything you want is highlighted. Take a moment to make sure only the correct text is selected. After the text is highlighted, right-click on the selected area. A small menu will appear. Choose Copy from that menu. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C if you are using a Mac. Once the text has been copied, move to Microsoft Outlook and open your Compose window. Click inside the body of the email where you want the text to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed in the exact spot where you want the pasted content to go. Next, right-click inside the email body and select Paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. The copied text should appear in your message right away. That covers everything you need to know.